Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 14 Pro camera vibrating and shaking issue. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Then go back home page. Open the Safari app. Search your beta.apple.com. Tap Go. Scroll down. Tap Sign Up. Tap Continue. Enter your Apple ID. Enter your password. Tap Allow. Enter your two-factor code. Tap Done. Tap Trust. Scroll down. Tap Enroll your iOS device. Scroll down. Tap Downloaded Profile. Tap Allow. Tap Close. Then go back home page. Tap Profile Downloaded. Tap Install. Enter your password. Again install. Tap Not Now. Tap Done. Then go back software page. Tap Software Update. Check your software update. Thanks for watching this video.